Hello and welcome to Laurice's Kitchen. I've got ripe ghost peppers, so I'm putting together a pineapple ghost pepper relish. We've wasted enough time not cooking over the summer, so let's get started. I have a 20-ounce can of pineapple rings. We're going to drain this and reserve the liquid. I have 70 grams of very hot peppers, including this ghost pepper and 4 habaneros. These need to be seeded and diced very finely. I have 2 medium shallots. These need to be minced very finely as well. I also have a half cup of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of kosher salt, and a half teaspoon of white pepper. This is 8 ounces of water and 6 ounces of cider vinegar. We'll be using 1 to 2 tablespoons of tamari. This is a very bold soy sauce that adds a nice umami flavor. When you're handling these hot peppers, be sure to wear gloves and wash your hands when you're done. I don't want too much oil in this, so I'm just going to use cooking spray. The rings I'm going to caramelize in my frying pan. Now any of the rings that don't fit, I'm just going to pulp to go in with the liquid. Now that these are nicely browned, I'm going to roughly chop them once they're cool enough to handle. We also need to saute these shallots until they're just a little bit brown. Now it's time to put the sauce together. This is where I'm adding in those pulped pineapple rings. We need to reduce this sauce until it's very thick and syrupy. Otherwise, you're going to end up with watery relish. Now we just need to mix this all together. It can be used warm or cold. We'll be using this relish soon. Let's give it a taste. Oh, get a little bit of peppers and everything in here. That is so hot. Wonderful. Thank you for visiting Laurice's Kitchen. If you enjoyed this video, give the like button a click and don't forget to leave a comment. We're always happy to hear from you. If you haven't already, subscribe to our channel and don't keep us a secret. Share our videos with your friends and family. You can follow us on Facebook for behind-the-scenes pics and videos, and on Twitter for upcoming videos and the random cat picture.